morning, everybody! Today is our first day as a sophomore. Wow! Tapos palit na ako. Di ba ang galing? Wala pa naman daw tao sa classroom, so okay lang, we're still alive. I don't think I got any sleep, to be honest. Kasi daw makatulog kagabi, nakatulog ako mga 3 ata. Pero like, nung nag-alarm yung phone ko, parang hindi rin ako natulog. So ayun, posture natin today. Guys, hindi nag-work yung aircon namin. Sobrang init ng classroom. So ayun, pumunta muna si sir sa office para i-report kasi hindi niya daw kaya. Yeah, from yeah.
Tapos dapat i-content.
Hi guys, it's day 1 of 2 EMT. Sir, say hi! Oy! Si Sir Paul ulit ang prof namin for chemistry. Last time, inorganic. Ngayon, biochemistry. Wala lang, okay lang. Masaya siyang prof, guys. Bye guys! We're going to lunch! Happy birthday! Lunch at 9, guys. Ay! Sir! Pasample na ng golden, sir. Lo!
We're going up, Papa.
Si Sir O, nagpapag-quiz na naman. First day na first day. Pre-test yun, pre-test. Yun ang sa'yo.
At then, alala ko yung pneumonic.
This is why mnemonics are important. Kasi yung mnemonics namin from last year na alala pa namin hanggang ngayon. Ang chaotic ng classroom. Our second class just finished. And yung next class namin, yun na yung last class.
Pero meron class, our second to the last class.
Sheesh! May 1 hour 30-minute break kami. Pero since early nag-dismiss si Sir, 2 hours na siya ngayon.
BG?
Right now, we are waiting for the class sa classroom to finish lang para makapasok kami kasi may class before our class.
Hindi siya ganyan magsalita.
Class.
Mode is on.
Ayun guys, hinihintay lang namin matapos yung tinawag ko ulit yung sinasabi ko kasi ginugulo niyo ako. Basta may tao pa sa classroom, hindi namin matapos. Tapos pag tapos na sila, pasok na kami sa classroom. The end, bye. Hello vlog. Vlog! Oh no!
Baka pwede pa yan.
Pulutin. Tapos na ang class namin. And it's 1 p.m.
That's so crazy. Like, I'm mind blown.
That's so crazy. That never happens. Never. Ngayon lang yung nangyari. Ngayong second year.
Ayo, maraming naman gusto yun.
Let's go, go! You, go, stand! Go, stand!
Good morning. Today, 2 lang ang classes namin. Tapos na yung isa. Path fit lang naman. Tapos, nag-orientation lang kami. Ang next na class namin is 3 hours na lab. Tapos ako na-job. Guys, bago na ang seats namin sa SenLab. Stop! Bago na, guys! Guys, new chairs! Ito yung dating chairs namin. O, imagine nyo na lang, gano'ng kasakit yung sa puwete. Hindi pa napapalitan yung sa classroom namin. Mauna yung grupo namin. Ganun talaga mga grupo. Oh my God, I'm so happy! Stop! No!
Meron po ba doon?
Na yung upuan natin.
Okay ba?
Uy! Uy, hindi ma-feel ng freshies yung suffering natin last year. Thank you po.
Dalawa pala dito, ma'am.
Meron akong Backrest na. Shucks, ang sarap matulog dito, stop. What's this? It's yours. Hello? Totoo?
No, 3 oras yung lab namin. Pero sana 1 hour lang.
Kasi orientation pa lang dapat. So, hindi namin sure if magla-lesson ba si Sir after or not.
Pila bro.
Mission accomplished. Ano gawa ngayon?
We're double checking the lab equipment apparatus para masauli namin because baka kasi pagbalik namin next year, marami na kami babayaran. Charge pa.
She's violent.
Balak.
So, wala yung book na kailangan namin. Wala yung book na kailangan namin sa Dapitan. So, mag-jeep kami going recto. Guys, napaka-crazy. Hindi pa naman ako pinapayagan mag-commute. Pati eto. Pero okay lang. For school.
You're watching this, you're not watching this.
For school. For school po, tita. For school. Nasa bus na kami. Hindi na alam kung anong ruta to or what. Sinabihan lang kami na eto daw yung ruta. Yung trip to eat. Okay, naliligaw kami. Alex! Si Stace! Kaya nyo yan! Kamusta?
Grabe.
Ikaw, kamusta? Si overthinker pa naman to.
Uy, wala itong ano. Kumbaga reservation yun eh. Ulit tayo ko na lang kayo.
We went through all of that just for this little book. Papunta na ako school. Oh, tapos sasabihin nila sa akin, is a type A. Kita nyo yun, Nico? It's type B, bro. It's type B. Wala na. Nasa car na ako. Anong gagawin? She's my lifesaver of the day. Papailamin niyo ko na uniform kaya lang yung shoes ko. Huwag natin pansinin. Huwag natin pansinin. Ay! Naka-type A na ako. Pero dito niyo. Guys! Makalata kaya ako ni Kuya Guard. We'll see. Guys, nakapasok ako. Hindi ako nahuli. Look at my shoes. Eh, look at my feet.
Apply to medicine.
Ano ba siya?
Nagbaba na ako kayo.
And then CC, Arsenal, tama.
Hi, ma'am. Our favorite prof. Apa? Our classes ended already. We just bought our books. Ayan o. You know what's crazy? Prof namin yung nagsulat niyan. Dati. Prof namin dati. She's a slayer. The weather is crazy. It's raining. It's raining. Look, oh.
Gamit na gamit yung 590.
Grabe, first use! Welcome to UST. It's always, the weather is so bipolar! Dito yung next class namin. Our next class is HIS, Health Information System. Health Information System. So, binigyan kami ng assignment ng prof namin na gumawa ng essay na 1,212,006 characters. Tapos sabi niya, guys, bahala na kayo kung anong strategy gagawin nyo and you're free to use any avenue that you want. So, naabot ko na guys ang 1 million characters. Yung ginawa ko is nag-copy-paste ako ng isang malaking journal ng article and then tinis ko doon, tapos ni-white ko, tapos ni number 1 font size ko. Tapos, so sobrang liit niya pero nagka-count yung characters. Sabi ni Sir, work smarter, not harder. And I think that's so smart. Work smarter, not harder.
1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Sobrang lamig ng room namin, guys. Upo muna ako sa labas ng classroom kasi grabe talaga ang lamig as in. Dilim ng hallway kasi walang ilaw. Tapos sumisigaw sila dito kanina. Oh my gosh! Scary!
Bilis, start floor na!
It's raining, so we can't leave yet. Crazy.
Ano na?
Guys, dinayag ni Jab ko.
So raining. It's still so raining.
Wala kaming choice kundi maligo. Ayan, wala kasing payong, parang ewan. So guys, hindi kami sinipot ng aming prof. Hindi kami sinipot ng aming prof, tapos nakakainis siya kasi wala lang. Kasi medyo nagpabasa kami para dito, tapos hindi siya magpapakita. Galing! But anyway, sa vlog ko, mag-hi ka.
Hi guys.
So that ends our week for the first week of sophomore year. Ayun, yun lang guys. Bye-bye. See you next video.